going to show here how to find the parabola using the eccentricity method. So already have set up is our directrix, and we have our axis here. And just label that in, and I have a point that's going to be on my parabola, and I already have my focal point. So I'm just going to say eccentricity method. Now, so in a parabola, the eccentricity is equal to 1. So basically, if we stepped out 1 unit on the axis and we go up 1 unit on the directrix, then it's going to give us a 45-degree angle. So the point here in this case is, it was in 50 on the axis and up 50, so it's the same as 45 degrees. So my eccentricity line here is going to be 45 degrees from the directrix, or where the directrix and the axis intersect. So to find the vertex from there, my point is lying on my line of the focal point, so I can just draw that in. So this is my focal line. Now, I'm just going to label that in. That's my focal line. So to find my vertex, I'm going to go 45 degrees from the focal point to where it hits the eccentricity line, and where it hits the eccentricity line, bringing that down vertical to where it hits the axis. So in here now I have found my vertex, or V. So this is my eccentricity line. Okay, now, so I have everything I need to start to create this parabola. So I'm just going to step out 3 points maybe. I'm stepping out points equally from the focal point, so I'm just going 10 each time. I'm just going to go 3 for now. Just going to draw a portion of it. So where these points lie on the axis, you bring them up to the eccentricity line. So they're all going up. And then from where they hit the eccentricity line, they're going back to the focal line. So now I have created 3 different points there. I'm going to curve them out, but I want to make another point in here. This is my latus rectum. Similar again, where it hits the eccentricity line, and just this time it comes back to the right side to where it hits the focal line. So I'll get the compass, and I'm just putting my pin there on the focal point to where it hits the, send it out to where it hits the point up here on the focal line, bringing it back. There's a point on my parabola, focal line again. So that's a point, and that is a point, and the vertex is going to be my point as well. So I can draw in this portion of the curve here. Point here on the axis as well, or on the eccentricity line, that's all in the parabola too. And that there would be just the portion, the top half of my parabola.